Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. you.